All right.
Hi everyone, we're getting started. So, hi everyone, as I mentioned before, my name is Peng. I'm co-founder of a Stanford blockchain accelerator program. A program focused on helping the Stanford blockchain founder. And in aggregate, through our program, they raised more than 500 million. From some investors, some startups like Caldera, Nexus, Zero G Zero Gravity, Modules Lab, BBM. I also teach a course at Stanford University on Web3 and blockchain entrepreneurship. I'm also founded a conference series called BAS, focusing on the cutting edge blockchain topics, obviously also including blockchain AI. So today, we have the open source AI summit Bangkok version. So the first of the event actually got started at Stanford right after December, working with Erica and Julia for the first version about
7-8 months ago. It was a great event. After that, we did a series of events like ECC, and also helped to co-host one in Singapore during Token 2049. So today, very happy to be here to have another version of Open Source AI Summit. We're going to discuss some of the most cutting-edge application topics on the cross-section of blockchain and AI. So this event is being co-hosted with Near Protocol and KryptoPlanet, founded by Erica Kang, and also the sponsored by Exhibit, Nethermind, Vanna, Jensen, Senabrock, Nelian, and Hyperbolic, and partnered with the Stanford Bass Boys Club, APAC DAO, Crypto Nomads Club, and the Black Dragon Capital for community support. That being said, let's welcome to stage Erica Kang. Woo!
My name is Erica Kang. I'm the host of Open Source AI Summit. Thank you so much for coming despite this crazy week. As you can see, I'm into the baby, so I can't be there in person to welcome you and enjoy the event with you. But we have Kun and Cameron to help me out throughout the event, so thank you so much. A special thank you to my co-host, Near Protocol, for making this happen with me. Also to Exhibit, Nethermind, Vanna, Jensen, Kite AI by ZetaBlock, Nelian, Hyperbolic, for sponsoring this event with me, and of course my amazing speakers for making amazing content, insights, and as you can see, we have 3 amazing debates in between, so enjoy all of them if you can, and hope you can learn a lot and network with each other. It's an amazing audience as well, so yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to see you next year in person. I'll host one in San Francisco, Seoul in Q1, so please stay tuned for that as well. Please enjoy, and right to you, Kun. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye-bye.
Right. Thank you, Erica. As Erica said, we're going to start an awesome session of Open Source AI Summit and here at the DevCon. And also want to thank Cameron for help to co-host and do the checking, and the volunteers as well. Thank you.